Greetings! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can import past choices into Dragon Age The Veilguard. Let's get right into it. So you need to go to the Finalize section in the character maker where you input your name and your voice. And on the right side you're going to see Past Adventures, The Inquisition default. And if you click on the Customize button here, you'll be able to input a few decisions from Dragon Age Inquisition into your Veilguard save file. So once you read the text here, you click on Make Changes, and the first step is you can actually customize the Inquisitor themselves, a bit like customizing your Guardian in Baldur's Gate 3. So let's quickly customize our character. We can give them a gender, we can change their appearance, and you can go even deeper into that if you want to, but we'll just click continue for now. We can give them a name and a voice. We'll leave them as the default for now. And then we can click on finalize. And then we click on yes. And after we've given our Inquisitor an appearance, we click on continue. And firstly, we can determine who we romance. So you just need to select one of the romance options, then you click on continue. In Dragon Age Inquisition, some romances were locked to certain genders, so you will see some padlocks over certain characters. We'll just pick Solas for now, and then we'll click on continue. Then you need to decide the fate of the Inquisition, so just select one of the options and then click continue. And then you can decide if your Inquisitor wanted to stop Solas or save him. Since my character romanced him, we're going to go with the vow to stop Solas because they got annoyed when they got dumped. Then you click on Finalize. Then you can have 3 of your Dragon Age Inquisition choices in your Dragon Age Veilguard playthrough. There's no way to import any other choices from Dragon Age Inquisition, or to import choices from Dragon Age Origins or Dragon Age 2. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.